lap times are improving. This is exactly what we need. We've gone out of track limits. Keep it between the lines. Blue flag.
Car right. Clear on your right. Careful, car on your right. All clear on the right.
Stay between the lines.
That we have out on track at the moment. Nicholas Matchem here gets himself off track in the Audi, the number 68 Kellogg's machine, with Tony the Tiger on the door panel and starting to see. Oh boy, no, it gets worse. It gets worse. It gets worse. Let's hope it gets better, and it sort of does. Wow. Wow, one of those moments as a driver where you just wish you could hit the restart button and just go back and pretend like that never happened. Wow, that was extremely close. In all seriousness, that could have ended extremely poorly for some of these drivers here. But everyone so far is doing a fantastic job, keeping everything's nice and clean here.
Careful, car on your right. All clear on the right.
Blue flag.
On your right. Clear on your right. On your right. Clear right. Car right.
Okay, Nick. There's a faster class car approaching.
Clear right.
Blue flag.
Oh boy. Little bit of trouble here, as there are some battles happening here for the GT3 class with Christopher Norris, Nicholas Matchem, both going to be involved here. And there we see Atticus Middleton, the one getting involved. I think he got a little contact from there off track as well. Nicholas Matchem off track, facing the wrong direction. It's calamity in the final laps here. As the checkered flag is flying, Nick Terrell takes it across the line for the win here.